So, guys, we all love ethnic wear. Indian ethnic wear is the part of Indian culture. Here, every state has different culture and tradition, which is shown in the ethnic outfit worn by them. Every outfit is best in itself. The elegance and charm of Indian ethnic wear have been upheld since many years ago. The popular ethnic outfits are sari, salwar suit, and the lehenga. Wearing traditional ethnic wear is a way of showing love and respect. It makes every individual feel pride and look gorgeous and fashionable at the same time. These traditional ethnic wears come in variety of designs and styles, and it is particularly based on your comfort, color, style, design, and fabric. There are innumerous varieties of Indian ethnic wears available these days, and all of them have unique capabilities and power to transform your looks and feelings. So, here we have our amazing Nari collection. Here we have our amazing Ajrak print outfits. So you might be thinking that what Ajrak print is. Ajrak print is a block printed textile that is resist dyed using natural dyes, which includes indigo and madam. It is made by Khatris community in Kutch, Gujarat, and it is distinguished by its color blue with red and its complex geometric and floral patterns. Its name is derived from Azrak, which means blue in Arabic and Persian. It takes skill and patience to make Azrak. There are 14 to 16 different stages of dyeing and printing, which take almost 14 to 21 days to complete. The resulting cloth is soft and gives well-like in appearance, pleasing to touch and appealing to the eye. Here we have this stunning red kurta set, featuring a red kurta with V neckline, and it is beautifully embellished with mirror work and Zardoshi artwork. It also have pockets at the side of the kurta, which is also embellished with heavy hand embroidery work. It has A9 silhouette with full sleeves. It is teamed with matching plain pants. It has beautiful portly style at the bottom of the pants. It is made on viscose satin with lovely Ajrak print on it. This fabric gives you shiny and luxurious look. It is very comfortable to wear, and it gives you very beautiful drape, and it doesn't wrinkle. You can wear this outfit in Mehndi, day-night function, and in festive season too. If you want to change the color of the outfit or want different style in this print, like gown or tunic, or you want to change the print as per your taste, or you want less or more hand embroidery, so we can also do that for you. So for this you can go with our customization process, and our designer will surely help you to suggest more new ideas. Next I will be showing you the same outfit with different color and styling pattern. We have this beautiful Rama blue color kurta set. As you are looking at the kurta, it has V neckline and it is beautifully embellished with mirror and zardoshi artwork. It has full sleeves and also have pockets at the side of the kurta, which is also embellished with hand embroidery work. It is paired with matching plain pant embellished with printed patti pattern at the bottom of the pant. It is made on viscose satin with beautiful ajrak print on it. It also has matching organza dupatta with hand embroidery work done on it. Next we have this amazing wine skirt set. It has beautiful hip length layered jacket. As you are looking at the waistline, it has gathered tie up. It has placket at the front of the jacket and it has full sleeves with cuff style. The placket and sleeves cuff is very beautifully hand embroidered with mirrors and zardoshi artwork. It is paired with printed gathered skirt. It is an ankle length skirt with beautiful flare. It is made on viscose satin base with beautiful ajrak print on it. You can wear this outfit at mehndi function, in festive season or in family function too. In this, if you want different color, print or style, like you can pair this skirt with bustier or you can also pair this jacket with pants. So for that you can go with our customization process. We also customize outfits for theme parties, bridesmaids, bride and groom, groups and also for individuals. Thanks for watching our video. So guys, for more new amazing outfits and ideas, stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe us and do follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and we are also available on Parnia's pop-up shop. If you have any queries regarding our outfits, so for that you can contact us on WhatsApp or you can also visit our studio.